All right. Good evening, good evening, good evening, everyone. This is Dr. LA from the Breakfast Club. And I'm really, really excited to do this really quick snippet for you guys who attend Breakfast Club, where we are consistently giving alerts. And what an alert is, you will receive an alert and it's going to say, okay, we're watching the market. We're either watching the market for a buy or we're watching the market for a sale. Now, the beautiful thing is we trade indices and we get paid both ways on the buy and on the sale. So when we give you the numbers for your alert, it is our expectation, myself and the pit master, that you would mark up your own chart. Now, you can mark up your chart. There are a variety of tools that people use. A lot of us use TradingView because it's just easy and it's free. Okay. So when we're saying, for example, right now, this week, we're going to trade US30 and I'm going to set an alert for 34780 for the sale. So my expectation is that you'll have a look at your chart. I'm going to go over here, grab my horizontal line. I'm going to put it on here. I'm going to double click my horizontal line. I'm going to go to the coordinates. I'm going to put in 34780. Okay. And this is where I'm expecting it to go for the sale. I just changed my time frame, so that's why my chart did that. Okay, so let me bring it in so that you can see it. Okay, so 34780, that is going to be the zone. My previous zones from last week are still on here. I'm going to go ahead and take them off. Okay, so 34780. And then for the buy, I'm looking for an entry or an alert of 34930. Now, I always remind people that trading is personal, and I am telling you my experience. The pit master, he will be sharing his experience on the Breakfast Club and just how we go about analyzing charts so that you can do it for yourself, okay? Because it is personal and you do need to take responsibility for whatever decision you make. Okay, so here again, my buy entry, I'm looking for my buy alert at 34930. 30. What does that mean? That means that this is where I want to know, has price come in? When price moves into this area, then I am going to analyze the charts and determine if I want to get in this trade. Okay. Typically, what I look for is on the 15-minute chart for price to turn and come up here. I'm looking for a flat bottom candle. You see here? If this red line was my alert, I want to look when I see price here, price shot up here, but then I want to see a flat bottom candle. Let me zoom in so you can see that. I see a flat bottom candle here. And once I see my flat bottom candle, then I'm like, oh, okay, cool. This looks like it's going to move in the right direction. So then I'm going to consider if I'm going to enter this trade. Okay. So right now for the sale, we're looking for the market, and this is for the entire week because the market is beautiful. It does the same thing. You see this? It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down. Okay. And it typically does this in things that we call zones. So we pay very close attention to the zones because we want to analyze the market in a particular zone and determine if that's where we're going to get in. Okay, so as you can see right now, the market isn't really doing anything, it's consolidating. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for the market again to form candles. Now, the beautiful thing about US30 is it's pretty consistent. You see, it consistently went up for a buy, it's in consolidation, and I am believing that this is going to turn and continue to sell down. Okay. Just based on history and how US30 moves. If you look over here, she sold down, she bought up, she consolidated in here, bought back up. It's time for her to come down. And I know we say her, but we can say the market. I don't want anybody to be offended. But that's just how this particular pair moves. Okay. So again, it's not ready. Okay, but I have my alerts here. Now, the beautiful thing is you can use something like Trader Assistant and it will send you a text message when the market comes here. Okay, or when the market comes here, whatever number you put in, it will send you a text message and you will know, okay, the market has come to the place where I'm going to observe the market and then make your decision. The beautiful thing, guys, is you can definitely meet your goals in an hour once this starts moving. well, I can meet my goals in less than an hour, is what I would say once this starts moving, because it moves quite fast. Now, NAS 100 is very parallel to US 30 with its movement. And as you can see, I've already marked up NAS, and I have marked up the high, and I've marked up the low for my alerts. And like I said, they move very similar with up down movement. Okay. So this is moved up and now it's consolidating. Those of you who trade NAS know that NAS has been high in the sky. So it is about time for it to come down. But be anxious for nothing. I will never get in this trade. These boxes right here represent resistance areas. So this has got some resistance that it's got to push through. But if it makes it through this resistance, well, it's going to be a beautiful day for those of us who love NAS 100. And if not, it's going to turn and come back up here, which is fine. But for the buy, I want to see it push past the blue line that I have created. And even if it decides not that it doesn't want to go here or there, that's fine. We call this a zone. We like to trade zones. So we teach a lot about this during the Breakfast Club. We are strictly about education, and we encourage you to check us out live in Black Forex and Stock Traders or on our YouTube channel. So we look forward to seeing you in a live trading session. Have a great day.